back to the Manic Mommy channel. I'm Cassie, I'm Manic Mommy, and today I am doing the Ipsy Ultimate Glam Bag, or is this the Glam Bag Plus? Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that's what this one is. And we're just gonna jump into it. It is $25 a month, and you get 5 to 7 full-size items. So, here we go. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. And the first thing I see is a super shiny bag. It does not look bigger than the normal. I didn't get the other ones this month because I felt like Ipsy was just kind of wah last month. So here's the bag. And then I've got quite a few items and none of them are in the bag because they don't fit inside the bag. But I did get my little card, and this month the theme is Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine for Shine On. And I'm going to go with the first item and go from there. And since they're all laid out in front of me, I don't have to dig them out of the bag because they don't fit in the bag. All right, so this is a palette by Ipsy, the Van Ness Eyeshadow Quad. Cool. Packaging looks kind of neat. It's fine. Open this bad boy up. Hey, Squatchy. He's almost asleep. Ooh, I really like this. It's like a leather, faux leather. Oh, wow. Oh, and it's magnet closure. Oh. Okay, so all this awesome packaging, like, ooh, how pretty. And then you open it and wah, wah, wah. They're itty bitty. Can you even see them? Okay, so you open up their little protective sheath and you've got a white. And that's white, creamy white. You got a gray. You got a cool toned purple and a cool toned brownish gray. Oh, okay. This just got some cool points. So it's actually a palette for singles. Sweet. Because at first I was like, are you freaking kidding me? This is stupid. Okay. Now that I can change things around and add stuff to this, totally worth it to me. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, not worth it price-wise, but I understand the packaging now. This is $60. It is the Van Ness Eyeshadow Quad. It says it's magnetic, so you can mix, match, and customize it with other single pan eyeshadows. That's exactly what I'll use this for. Now, these shadow colors, besides that one, these are not my go-tos. But that's what whatever. But 60 bucks, eyeshadow quad, it is what it is. The next thing is Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Stay Setting Spray. Oh, cool. Oh, it was upside down. Tarte Stay Spray. I have never heard of this, actually. Didn't know this existed. Let's open it up. Oh, I really like the packaging. It reminds me of Aquanet. I don't know. Maybe I'm way off. Am I up in the night? Or those cups in the 90s, those styrofoam cups. Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Shake well, then use. So you shake, shake, shake. $25. There it is. Pretty cool. I'll use it. I kind of wish I hadn't done my makeup yet because I would kind of like to try some things, but it is what it is, right? Too late for that. Verso Skincare Eye Cream. It has a number 5 on it. I don't know what the 5 means, but feels pretty empty. It doesn't feel like there's a whole lot of product in here at all. It's a little over 1/2 ounce. Does not feel like a lot at all. But its value is $65. Now, is this a deluxe sample or is this the full size for $65? I don't know. Don't know. Ipsy's kind of sneaky that way. I found it. The next item is Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. We designed this brush to make your life easier. Can it do dishes? Can it raise my children? Can it make dinner? Can it feed the cats? Can it give Squid his insulin? Can it iron my husband's clothing? Can it wipe my butt? Then no, you did not make my life easier. Now, will this make my blending for my bronzer easier? Maybe. Maybe it will. Press and set. So I'm guessing they want you to press it in. To set powders, press the flat side of the brush into your skin to bronze and sculpt. Use the tip of the brush to sweep bronzer into the hollows of your cheeks wherever you need some warmth. Press, sweep, press, sweep. The last item, oh, did I tell you how much this is worth? This brush is worth $35. I mean, it's a pretty brush. It's kind of heavy. I'm not in love with the way it's weighted, but I'll use it. I'm always looking for a good, see how I kind of feel like I'm a little patchy today? And like, yeah, but that's okay. All right, I got 2 lip balms in peppermint and vanilla. I'm not a fan of vanilla, but I will love the peppermint one. My husband won't mind the vanilla. I'll give it to him. 5 ingredients, that's it. It's a Noya Organic Lip Balm Set, and it is a value for 2, a value of $7.98. I feel like they were like, oh crap, what do we put in the box? I don't know, go grab those chapsticks. Sorry. Yeah, so there's those. Let's see. Those are $7.98. So putting all the items together, so that is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items of $192.98 is what all of this stuff is worth. I'm just gonna be honest. Do I appreciate this box? No, I do not. Do I feel like $25 for the one item I'm willing to try it and excited about being, how much was this again? The Tarte spray was $25. So I did get all these other items for the price of this box I got this item's worth, right? So if I had gone to the store, tried this, would I have bought it? No. Am I gonna try it and use it? Yes, of course, it's a big size thing, but do these other items, I mean, this is cool for traveling, but I just don't have singles. Like, I just don't use a lot of singles. Makeup bag's a little wah, wah, wah. Makeup brush, the price I'm not in love with, but I mean, I'll use it. I am always excited to get brushes. More the merrier. Join the fold. Chapsticks, practical. We'll get use out of them. Is it something I'm excited for in this box? No, I feel like my subscription box. Also, guys, can we stop like not filling these up? Can we fill these up like all the way? Or find packaging where you can. I don't know how this is manufactured. I don't know how they do it, but can we put more product in there, please? Maybe, I don't know. Am I glad I canceled my other 2 Ipsys so I wasn't paying $50 plus $12 plus this? Yeah, I'm really glad. Because I feel like it just was meh. It was just meh. That's all. That's the only way I can describe it is meh. So, I'm not impressed. Ipsy, what are you doing, man? Okay, well, that's it. I don't really have much to say except like and subscribe for my honest and somewhat rude opinion of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Oops, sorry. The price of these items are a little bit ridiculous as well for what they are. Overpriced items thrown into a bag that doesn't really, Ipsy, come on. I know you guys go like this sometimes, but you've been going like this for a while. Like, you're hitting bottom soon. So, guys, come on, let's work on it. Yeah, so that's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. What do you think? Waste of money? Worth it? Do you feel meh? I feel meh. So, that's it. That's all I have. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.